Hi, I'm Helge from the Flicking Fingers. You probably don't remember me. I've been out of the magic scene for so long, I almost forgot I existed myself. After we did the Flicking Fingers book in the 90s, I promised myself never again. But then I did comedy for 20 years and suddenly I realized, wait a minute, I'm German. What the hell am I doing in comedy? So I wrote a book, forced Guy Hollingworth to write a foreword, tricked Vanishing Ink into publishing it, and here it is. It's called Evidence of a Well-Spent Life. These are tricks and routines I've been performing for over 30 years, like the instant camera card or my takes on classics, like the folded card in Matchbox or the folded card wrapped in a rubber band. And my duplicate principle, which allows you to obtain duplicate signatures from the audience. No psychological hanky-panky, no fake signatures, no dual reality. Genuine duplicate signatures from your spectators. At my 4F lecture in 2006, I actually got a standing ovation for not explaining the secret. But it's in the book. It's in the book. These are all tricks suited for parlor and stage where I usually work. They have all been part of my working repertoire for decades. This is what I earn my living with. It is evidence of a well-spent life, I guess.